know about the text? Go. Okay, waiting for 3 people to pick up their pencil. Thank you, Justin. He went home sick today. Thumbs up when you're ready. 5 more seconds. Okay. What's one thing you now know about the text because you previewed? Mr. Hart.
I know that the lower ninth ward is like the book that we're reading. It's in New Orleans where Hurricane Katrina hit and all the people died.
Anybody else?
It says adapted from, so I'm wondering, is it also it's from this other story? Is it also from our book? I don't know.
So we know our book is fiction and this is nonfiction, so I'm going to guess this is coming from a different text.
Oh.
Anyone else? Okay, so I'm seeing like a couple words I'm not totally sure of. I don't really know what this means, but that's okay because right now I already know that it's talking about people in the lower ninth ward. No one talked to me about the forgotten people. Who do we think the forgotten people could be?
The people in New Orleans who were like on their roofs and stuff and got stuck.
Absolutely. So these are the people that felt ignored by the government. Okay, so we already know all these things about the text that we wouldn't have known if we just skipped over the title. So this is a really good skill that we all need to make sure we're practicing with or without me. Okay, so what I'm going to have you do now, I'm going to model for you our objective today, which again is to find the main idea using the paraphrase and chunk strategy. So what I want you to do is you have a pencil in your hand, you're following along what I'm doing, you are taking the notes as I take them, and you're trying to figure out what's one thing that Miss Lucente is doing as she's reading. Okay. Waiting for 50% of the class to pick up a pencil. Okay. Before Hurricane Katrina roared across New Orleans on August 29th, 2005, few Americans had heard of the lower ninth ward. So nobody knew about the lower ninth ward until Hurricane Katrina happened. That's something that I know so far. After the hurricane caused major levee breaches through which waves of water rushed and tossed homes and cars around like toys, the lower ninth ward came to represent the convergence of destructive forces on a society. So right now I know the before. I know that nobody knew about the lower ninth ward. So I'm just going to write that down. Lower ninth ward. You should be writing this too. But now I know it's getting to some words that I'm not totally sure of. So I'm going to go through. It came to represent the convergence of destructive forces on a society. The hurricane, the vulnerable geography of New Orleans, government neglect, urban poverty, and racial tension. So before it was an unknown city, and now it's known for all these things. I know what the word hurricane means. I know it's known for the hurricane. And I know that it's known for poverty. I know that means poor people. So now I know that it was unknown, and now it's known for negative things. Because I know poverty is generally a negative thing, and the hurricane is a negative thing. So I'm going to assume racial tension is negative, government neglect, and geography.
Give them a check for us to do it. Just make sure we're all doing it.
Thanks for your 100% compliance. Were you not doing it? Were you trying to mess with me?
I didn't mess with you, but your eyes were down the whole time.
I think that's just because you guys are in here and it's weird.